Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we explore smart gear that makes life more fun, more creative, and more connected. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting compact camera gadgets of the year, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Yes, you heard that right. It's not a drone. It's a tiny 3-axis gimbal camera that fits in your pocket, shoots buttery smooth 4K footage, and has some seriously smart features packed into a ridiculously small body. But is it really a content creator's dream tool, or just a pricey toy? I've spent the past couple weeks testing the Osmo Pocket 3 in real-world situations, walking around the city, filming handheld B-roll, vlogging, even some low-light street footage. Let's get into what this little beast can and can't do. What is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? So what exactly is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? It's a compact gimbal camera, meaning it combines a camera with a built-in 3-axis stabilizer, so your footage is always smooth no matter how shaky your hands are. This version features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, huge upgrade over the previous models, and supports 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, 10-bit D-Log-M for color grading, and full manual control if you want it. It's got a rotating 2-inch OLED touchscreen, face tracking, live stream support, fast autofocus, and connects easily to your phone via the DJI Mimo app. Basically, this thing is a mini filmmaking studio you can carry in your palm. Design and build quality. First impressions. This thing feels premium. It's small, but not so small that it's hard to hold. It's got a nice weight to it, and the grip feels natural, even for longer shooting sessions. The rotating screen is a game changer. It flips vertically and horizontally, making it perfect for both landscape filming and vertical social content like Instagram Reels or TikToks. And that OLED display? Bright, sharp, and surprisingly color accurate. Everything about the Pocket 3 screams grab and go. It's the kind of gear that makes you want to shoot more, simply because it's so fun and easy to use. Image quality and performance. Okay, how's the footage? In short, impressive. The 1-inch sensor means this thing performs way better in low light compared to previous versions or smartphones. Nighttime city shots? Totally usable. Indoor vlog in dim lighting? Still looks great with minimal noise. In daylight? It's phenomenal. 4K at 60 or even 120 FPS looks buttery smooth, especially when combined with the gimbal's mechanical stabilization. It blows digital stabilization out of the water. And yes, the 10-bit D-Log-M mode gives you a ton of flexibility in post if you're into color grading. But if not, the standard color profile looks vibrant and clean straight out of the camera. It even handles dynamic range surprisingly well. Shadows aren't crushed. Highlights are mostly retained. This is a huge deal for such a tiny sensor. Audio and vlogging experience. Now what about audio? The built-in microphones are good, not amazing. For casual use, vlogging, or quick clips, they're totally fine. But for pro-level content, you'll want to invest in the optional DJI Mic 2, which pairs seamlessly and gives you wireless, studio-quality sound. Vloggers will love the face tracking. It locks on quickly, follows you smoothly, and works shockingly well even when you move around a lot. You can also tap to focus or use full manual controls like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. It's creator-friendly, without being overwhelming. Features and connectivity. The Osmo Pocket 3 isn't just a camera, it's part of a smart ecosystem. It connects easily to the DJI Mimo app where you can live stream, transfer footage, or even control the camera remotely. You can adjust gimbal behavior, use motion lapse, time lapse, or even do automatic panoramas. The autofocus is fast and accurate, even when you're walking or turning the camera around. And the battery life? Roughly 116 minutes of 4K shooting, which is really solid for something this small. It also charges quickly via USB-C, and there's an optional battery handle if you need even more juice. What we loved. Let's break down what makes the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 such a standout. Gimbal stabilization, real mechanical stabilization, ultra-smooth video, 1-inch sensor, better low light and dynamic range than any smartphone gimbal setup, compact and pocketable. Seriously, this could live in your jacket pocket every day. Rotating OLED screen, perfect for vloggers, vertical shooters, and framing tight shots. 10-bit and D-Log M support, great for pro editors and color graders. Smart tracking and autofocus, it just works. No fiddling required. Optional DJI mic compatibility. Expand your content game easily. What could be better? Of course, no gadget is perfect. Here's where the Osmo Pocket 3 stumbles just a bit. Pricey accessories. The base unit is affordable, but once you add the mic, battery grip, or creator combo, the cost rises quickly. No optical zoom. You'll need to move your feet. Zooming is digital only. Limited touchscreen UI. Some settings are better handled through the app. Not waterproof. This isn't a GoPro. You'll need a case if you want to shoot in rain or underwater. Still, most of these are trade-offs for size and weight, and for many creators, they're worth it. Final verdict and rating. So here's the bottom line. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is an absolute game changer for creators who want pro-quality video in a tiny, go-anywhere package. It's perfect for vloggers, travelers, content creators, or anyone who wants to shoot without lugging around heavy gear. It's got the brains, the stabilization, and the image quality to back it all up. My final rating? 9.3 out of 10. It's not flawless, but for what it offers in such a tiny package, it's one of the best compact cameras on the market today. If the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 sounds like the right tool for your content journey, I've dropped a link down below where you can check it out on Amazon. Thanks for tuning in to Modern Gadget Guy. Drop a comment if you have questions or want a comparison with other compact cameras. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest, hands-on reviews every single week. Until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.